Is my house the only one that only has trouble during the holiday season?
Absolutely not.
What is it about the holidays that the sewer system says, well, I'm going to back up right now. The guests showed up last night.
Always the most inconvenient time. I mean, other than the fact that we're doing more during the holidays than we are at any other time. We're cooking the extra dinners, we're cooking the extra pastries, we're having more guests over. Our house is getting a lot more usage. Kind of like what we saw with COVID when people started staying at home all the time. All of a sudden they had a bunch of plumbing problems.
Oh, really?
We're home, we're using it, we're there, right? It doesn't matter newer home or older home at that point. You start using it, you're going to get those things. You're putting, the scraps from the turkey down the disposal. All those different things are going to add to those problems. You're flushing the toilet 10 times because all the kids are home for break. Everything's just getting used a lot more than normal. So that would probably explain it.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.